So now that I have my base pipe in, we're going to go ahead and put the cradle on. I've got a hole here that's going to be the same direction that your house is going to point. Try to not have it lined up with prevailing winds. If you have typically west or northwest winds, you want to go opposite of that. We're going to go ahead and put this in. Simply slide the cradle into your base pipe. And we're going to use the supplied bolt and washers here. And ideally we want these, the base of the house to be 3 to 5 feet off the water. You can adjust with the different holes in the cradle if need be. I'd always kind of lean towards higher is better. If you get high water, you don't want to be right next to the water line. So we simply crank this down, and then we're ready to put the nesting structure on. Okay, we've got the nesting structure. I typically, where the seam is, where this is rolled up and hog ringed, I'm going to put that towards the bottom. And you just want to line it up, get it centered on there. And then we're going to use our wire ties, and basically I like to do 2 on each prong here. So 2 here, 2, 2, and 2. So you'll have 8 total. And that's going to keep that thing in there. It's not going anywhere. Now we're going to take our wire ties and put 2 on each prong here. 1 towards the top, 1 towards the bottom. Just twist that on. And that is all there is to it. Super easy, quick. Doesn't take long to set these guys up. Alright, now we're on to the last step of setting up a hen house. We're going to put our nesting material in there. We want to use any kind of soft prairie grass or Timothy grass. This is something that we're going to do every season. Replace this with nice nesting material. The ducks aren't going to bring nesting material to the nest, so we have to provide that for them. We want some nice soft grass. We're going to fill this about 3/4 of the way. And have enough in there that the duck's going to make a nice nesting bowl inside. And that's all there is to it. We've got a hen house from Duck Houses Direct all set up to go.